Welcome to Cook Command Center Tutorials. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add and edit users. What you can do is you'll always start in this view. This is your Command Center desktop customer service view. Down below, you'll see a system icon and a system tab. Click the system tab and go down to Manage User. From there, you'll see your affiliations users. From this tab, you can either add new user or edit current user's access. So as you can see, there's a test account that's a user access. You go down here, you can actually edit. You can edit details, whether it be first, last name, email address, time zone status, and the associated modules that they have access to. Click update, and it'll update their association's user permissions. If you wanted to add a new user, you'd simply go in here, add first name, last name, email. Their two-way authentication, whether it be one-time password or PIN. We always suggest PIN, but that's your association's decision to make. Phone number is optional, time zone is needed, and then also you'll have projects and modules. These are what you'd like the user to have access to view. Down below, you can also see if you want them to have access to all locations or access to selected locations. So if you want them to have all, you click here, and then they'd have the associated projects and modules that you selected for that unique user for all locations. Click Create, and then you'll see them in the associated list below. Thank you for watching Cook Command Center Tutorials. If you would like to watch more how-to videos around Cook Command Center, please click here for our tutorial channel. Or you can click here at cc.cooksecurity.group.com for more documentation and downloads.